The Rabbit charger seems a pretty good alternative that is as easy to install as changing a faceplate into a normal power outlet. The Rabbit charger is an output size block that plugs into your existing outlet. It covers both plugs, but replaces one with a through plug, so you're not losing all the output. In exchange for the other plug, you get a Y-shaped charging cube on top of the device with 2 charging tips. The smart part is that the entire charging cable is retractable, so it's not stuck with an ugly cable in your living room when you're not using it. The installation seems simple enough: simply unscrew its front output cover, connect, screw it and go. That also removes it when it is time to leave a more feasible proposal. Out of the box, the Rabbit charger comes with 2 micro USB and 2 USB-C charging ports that users can change as they wish. The company also offers lightning tips with interchangeable fee certification to charge EOS devices for $9.95 each. The Rabbit charger costs $49.95, which is not exactly cheap for a pair of phone chargers, but it might be worth it for a more uniform appearance that it provides.